Not a Kia though. What is it? Oh yeah. All right. All the head bolt are loose. This one is ready to go. But let's go ahead and work on the rear one. We're gonna loosen all those head bolt by a sequence. We're gonna start right here, number one. I can see it. It's right there. Okay, that's good. Then number two is right here. That's good. Number three is right here. Number four. Number five. Number six. Number seven. Where are you? Where are you? Here we go. Number eight. Then repeat the process. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8, 10, you can speed up the process. The smell. Okay. So all right. Let's go ahead and pick this up. Dowel. There we go. Oops. Oops. Milky. Ooh, made a mess. Okay. Make a room on your twin brother. All right. Oh, hello, beautiful. This guy right here, huh? This guy right there is the one failed by comparison here. Where's the other dowel? Uh-oh. The dowel? Oh. There we go. You supposed to be here, dowel. There we go. Excuse me. All right. Yeah, it did fail right here. Oh boy. Oh boy. Okay. Get ready for the other one. Oh yeah. Smell good. All right. Here we go. Okay, hopefully no surprises here. Hopefully this thing's not gonna kill my back. I'm gonna push it up a little bit. So I can use my belly to support my back. All right. Or maybe not. Whoa. Come on, man. Nope. Ooh. Okay. Inhale, exhale. I should clean everything first before I pull this out. But, oh well. It's gonna be clean. Oh boy. Ah! Oh boy. Okay. All right. Oh boy, you're heavy. Okay. Oh boy. Oh. Oh. Oh, the gasket is. I think this one doesn't have any issue. This is the failure right here. Oh boy, the dowel and the gasket decided to come in here. Let's see here. Oh boy. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. So I'm not supposed to. Okay. Alright. Okay. Okay. This one, it's no failure. Okay. Ooh. That's not a joke. Oops. What do you guys think? Is it warp or not? That thing's heavy. Oh boy. I dropped one bolt earlier and I can't find it. I might can spend a day looking for that. I hope not. Well, both head are out. First time doing this. Yeah. And yeah, the way I breathe, it's not a joke. Alright, thank you guys for watching.